Today, I'm super excited to talk about how to pay your car loan through the Huntington Bank app. First off, if you haven't downloaded the Huntington Bank app yet, head over to the App Store and get it installed on your phone. Once you're all set up, log into your account and navigate to the Bill Pay section within the app. Next, select your car loan account as the payee and enter the amount you want to pay. You'll have the option to schedule the payment for a future date or make the payment immediately. Now, here's the important part. Make sure you have enough funds available in your account to cover the payment. You don't want to be hit with any unnecessary fees or penalties. Once you've reviewed the details and confirmed everything looks good, go ahead and submit the payment. You'll receive a confirmation of the transaction, and just like that, your car loan payment is taken care of without having to leave the comfort of your home. And that's all there is to it. The Huntington Bank app makes it incredibly convenient to manage your car loan payments on the go.